Hey everybody, this is Chadley with MetalWorks. Just wanted to give you a quick peek at our latest project arrival. It's a 55 post car. We're going to be doing a full Pro Touring build of the 55. I'll be getting an Art Morrison chassis, complete with a IRS rear end. And we'll be running a high horsepower supercharged Wegner Motorsports LS in it. It's actually pretty decent 055, pretty solid. We'll be doing video and a ton of images of this entire build. You'll be able to watch it at MetalWorksClassics.com. I'll be posting the project online here pretty soon. Trunk area on the car actually looks really nice. But again, we heavily document our restorations plus video, and we'll be doing a lot of focus on this build, so you'll be able to see the entire thing. Again, this will be running a Art Morrison chassis with a IRS rear end and a supercharged Wegner Motorsports LS motor. So that's the starting point. Hope you guys will check back with us often and see how it progresses. Take care.